Extraterrestrial life. Does it exist? Extraterrestrial life is life that exists beyond Earth. The question of whether extraterrestrial life exists is one of the oldest and most intriguing in the universe. For centuries, people have searched for answers to this question, but no definitive evidence has yet been found. However, recent scientific research on exoplanets or planets that orbit stars in other galaxies has given reason to believe that extraterrestrial life is quite possible. To date, astronomers have discovered over 4,000 exoplanets, and most of them are located in habitable zones which are at a distance from their stars where liquid water can exist. Liquid water is one of the most important factors necessary for life as we know it. On Earth, it was in liquid water that the first form of life arose, and it is in liquid water that it has evolved and exists to this day. Therefore, the presence of liquid water on exoplanets is a strong indication that life may also exist on them. In addition, astronomers have discovered that some exoplanets have atmospheres that are similar to Earth's. This could also be a sign that conditions that are conducive to life may exist on such planets. Of course, the presence of liquid water and an atmosphere is not a guarantee that life exists on exoplanets. However, these factors significantly increase the likelihood that we are not alone in the universe. What could extraterrestrial life be like? If extraterrestrial life does exist, it could be very different from life on Earth. On other planets, entirely different forms of life could exist that use other chemical elements and processes than those that exist on Earth. One possible form of extraterrestrial life is carbon-based life. Carbon is the basis of all life on Earth, and it is one of the most abundant elements in the universe. Therefore, it is quite possible that life on other planets will also be based on carbon. Another possible form of extraterrestrial life is silicon-based life. Silicon is the second most abundant element in Earth's crust, and it is also quite abundant in the universe. Therefore, it is not excluded that other planets may have life that uses silicon instead of carbon. In addition, there is the possibility of the existence of extraterrestrial life based on other chemical elements such as nitrogen, phosphorus, or sulfur. How can we find extraterrestrial life? One way to search for extraterrestrial life is to directly observe exoplanets. Astronomers can use telescopes to search for signs of life on exoplanets, such as the presence of an atmosphere that contains oxygen or methane, or the presence of changes in the brightness of an exoplanet that could be caused by biological activity. Another way to search for extraterrestrial life is to search for signs of life in space. Astronomers can search for molecules in space that are signs of life, such as amino acids or nucleotides. It is also possible to search for extraterrestrial life using microbes that could have been brought to Earth from other planets by meteorites or comets. Conclusion: the question of whether extraterrestrial life exists remains open. However, recent scientific research suggests that extraterrestrial life is quite possible. In the coming years, astronomers will continue to search for extraterrestrial life, and it is possible that we will be able to find it. The discovery of extraterrestrial life would be one of the most significant events in human history. It would mean that we are not alone in the universe and that life may be a common phenomenon.